Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the Ultra face down on a soft cloth. This prevents scratches. Once set, identify the quick-release lugs at the strap ends and the recessed release lever. Use your thumbnail or a small tool to push the lever toward the strap. Don't pry at the watch case. Apply steady pressure and pull the strap straight out. You'll feel it disengage. Make sure to work one side at a time so the other strap stays secure. You now remove the old strap and prepare the new one by matching orientation. The clasp should face the same direction as before. Once aligned, insert the spring bar or quick-release pin into the lug channel on one side, then compress the opposite end while guiding it into the lug hole. Release slowly. You should hear or feel a click when it seats. If the strap pivots, reseat the pin and try again. Correct alignment prevents gaps, and you finish by checking the fit. Tug each strap gently to confirm the pins are locked, and fasten the clasp to ensure comfortable wear. Once done, wear the watch for a few minutes to test for shifting, adjust hole position or micro-adjust clasp as needed. If a pin won't seat, remove the strap, inspect the lug channel for debris, and lightly lubricate the pin with silicone before retrying. Finally, store removed parts safely. You may need them later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.